It's your boy Joey. Again, I don't have my stand thing to hold on to. Never remember where I put it. Why would I do that? There's some I want to get. One is magnetic. It won't stick to the fridge, but I've been thinking I want to put a plate of stainless steel. No, not stainless steel. Steel. Something that's fucking magnetic on the fridge. Oh. That's interesting. That opens up new ideas. This still bugs me. But we're not going to care about that right now. So, things are... today I believe Mikey's GPS collar comes in. So we're going to try and get that working. We're going to try and get the servers working. This one was working great up here, but now it's not. I took out the big video card because I'm not doing any video encoding on that machine. The small one will use a lot less electricity, but for some reason it's on, but it's not doing anything, so I gotta hook up not a video card, a monitor to it. But it's only got goofy ports on it. So I gotta figure that out. I have adapters, places, it's in monitors. We'll get it done. This server is running, but with the updates, none of my apps and file sharing are working properly. So I still gotta work on that. I was moving files around and the one hard drive is full for some reason. I don't know. So I'm probably gonna move them all to the one and then move those to the other. It's gonna take a while. Let's just put it that way. So that's probably gonna be a few day project, but hopefully in the meantime I can get the apps running so I can watch my videos and have my downloads going. Merch still not happening. All I got is a few stickers left of those. I gotta get the main file from my buddy Alex still, so I can get a lot of those printed up and get some bigger ones. I think I'm gonna close the store. Like, it just doesn't make sense for how little I'm selling right now. Because it's just a thing on the side, like it doesn't make sense. So I'm probably just gonna close all of that. I don't want to do the print on demand for what I'm wanting. It's just not money makes sense with money. I don't know if that makes sense. But oh yeah, and we're gonna start cleaning up. We'll see if we do any of this, but I want to put some of the stuff in the trailer, the new trailer. I'm not going to record this because I want to listen to music and jam out, but this finally clogged up, and it's my own fault because I let the fuel run out, because I let this run while I wasn't at work. I still need to order the afterburner controller thermostat for it, so that doesn't happen, and I can turn it off when I'm at work, so when I forget, I can check and be like, oh, bloop, bloop, still on, turn it off. Yeah, but that's, we're gonna do that now. We've also got a doctor's appointment in about 40 minutes for my hand, because these two fingers are still messed up. Workers' comp doctor is saying it's arthritis, but I 100% know it's not. So I gotta go through that stuff, and we'll see how that goes. Desktop computer's working okay. Hopefully this week I can get a 3D printer. I'm looking at the Ender 3. I've been finding them for 100 to 150 bucks on Marketplace, which would be awesome to get started. But yeah, it's like 30 degrees outside. That little heater's working, and because I washed dishes, boiled a pot of water, cooked some breakfast, Captain Butterfingers over here lately been dropping the phone a lot, and just did there. It's a decent temperature in here. And my weight gain, since starting at Amazon 6 months ago, I am about 180 pounds. So about 20 pounds gained, which is awesome. Most of it's muscle. I've also decided where all of this stuff is gonna go, because I don't have the server in the bedroom anymore. There's an empty space right here where I can just stuff it all in there. So that'll work. I still want to get insulation in here and here, because I have some sitting back there, but that's such a pain in the dick. I don't know, we'll see. We do gotta finish some mods with the AC, with the foam, make it work better. And I'm thinking with Home Assistant, a smart plug. Home Assistant's running on that server up there. Smart plug and what's the other thing? Oh, a temperature humidity sensor. I can have it control that, and when I get the afterburner, I can have it control this heater, and we can keep it comfortable in the camper at all times for minimal amounts of money. Right now it is running on eco mode, which does work pretty good. But I can like add extra fans, so like if there's a lot of humidity in here, I could blow air into the bedroom area there. Have a couple little 12-volt fans in the top here or towards the floor to blow the colder, chilled, dry air out of there. Or I can make a duct on the one side. If I get a 3D printer, there's just so many options. But they have all these cool sensors. But anyways, I'm going long. I'm gonna get this done, go to the doctor, get started on the outside stuff, and yeah, we'll see how things go. Alright, updates on this. This all is fine, but this is getting dirty. You can see where I wiped it there. I definitely need to get some sort of filter on this thing, but that'll be something to worry about in the fall. Well, it's here. Let's get this thing open. Can we do it with one hand? Probably not. Especially that hand. Okay, that's ripped. Keep it going. We got a collar. It was $6. Don't know if it's worth it or not, but we got it. I don't have one currently. We're not going to show that on camera, but here it is. Let's get this baby open. Need a sharp device. Screwdriver will suffice. Don't recommend this, but you know, I did not plan for this video at all. Oh, that worked better than expected. Boom. So the plug it in. How the hell does this thing work? Oh, it's got a little thing. We got more crap in here. Gonna have to charge it up. Quick start guide. I'm gonna charge this thing up, download the app, and get going on this, and then we'll talk about more in a minute. Alright, the update's on the collar. It's on him. He doesn't seem to care. I might need to tighten it up a little bit. We'll see. Thankfully he doesn't care. It feels really big to me, but he's just sitting there chilling. And we'll do a dedicated video on this in a few days, or a week, probably a week. But this is what happens. This thing is all clogged up. This is bad too. So I'm gonna get that cleaned up, get it running because it's cold. Maybe make some food, definitely wash my clothes, get my trash out of here. Then, I don't know. I don't know what you're looking at. I don't care. You're used to this. Might sleep because it's like noon and that's when I get home usually and go to sleep. We'll see. We'll see what I'm feeling. Dad might want to go to the hardware store. He's building some cornhole things for his wedding. I don't know. I don't care. Need the 2x4s, 8-foot ones, and we need my truck for it. Anyways, we're gonna get going, get this done so I can move on to my next project. Alright, it's next day. Yeah, things happened. We'll talk about the doctor stuff in another video because I have another visit today. But camper updates. We got the litter box over here because he's stuck in the camper more. It does need to get cleaned and fresh litter, but oh look, he's here. He's not bothered by the collar. It works. I don't like the charger on it, but you know, whatever. We got this place mostly cleaned up. We've got his food station set up. That's where the dirty clothes hamper will go. Still haven't cleaned that. This is looking a little better. We figured out the issues on this. It's not all taken care of yet. It was permissions that I messed up. Files are moving around right now because of the way the one RAID is set up. It's really slow. This computer is still broken, so Home Assistant's not going. That's not a super huge deal. It'd be nice to have it going. So, yeah. I'm gonna work on getting all the apps fully working. My transferred settings files did not transfer properly, so I'm just gonna start over on all my apps. Kind of sucks, but you know, whatever. I'll get it taken care of. And yeah, we're just gonna end this video here. It was a shorter weekend for me because it was an overtime day. I watched the new Dungeons and Dragons movie. That was sweet. Yeah. I guess we're gonna call it here. Peace out.